Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm gonna reveal a tool that is literally at the ChatGPT level, but with one huge difference. It gives you a completely free API. Yes, I'm talking about LongCat.chat, a Chinese-based platform that allows you to build your own chatbots, automation systems, SaaS tools, and even coding platforms. And the best part, right now, it's 100% free. So let me show you step by step how to set it up, how to generate your API, and how you can use it to build your own AI-powered tools. The very first step is to create your API key. Go to LongCat.chat. On the top right corner, click your profile. From the menu, select API key. Now click Generate New Key, or if you already have one, just copy it. And boom, your personal GPT-level API key is ready. Now, how do we use this API? We'll use a custom AI chatbot built by our mentor, Learn with Faison. The link is here. Once you open it, you'll see a section called LongCat API Settings. Here, paste your API key and click Save API Key. Just click New Chat, type a command, and in a few seconds, the AI will generate results for you. You can even check your usage live. By default, you get 100k free credits. But here's the magic. Click Request More Quota. Answer the questions, randomly or according to your field. And within hours, your daily credits will increase to 5 million. That's one of the most powerful features of LongCat. Massive credits for free. Okay, now let's build something real. For this demo, I'll create a YouTube thumbnail downloader tool. I'll write a master prompt inside the chatbot. Now hit enter and just look, the complete code is generated for us. Next, I'll copy the entire code and paste it into my HTML viewer site, link in the description. And instantly, our thumbnail downloader tool is live, responsive, and works on both desktop and mobile. Friends, this was just a small example. With LongCat's free API, you can build chatbots, automation tools, AI-powered SaaS platforms, even your own coding assistants. Basically, you can turn any idea into a working project without paying for expensive APIs. This platform is a total game changer. But remember, right now it's free, and nobody knows how long it will stay free. So move fast and take full advantage. Follow my page for more master prompts, AI tricks, and automation methods. Share this video so others can benefit before it's too late. Let's build the future with AI together.